Crazy kids wanna be in the video. Say good morning, YouTube.
Good morning, YouTube.
Welcome back to JJ's Cars and Advice. Say welcome to JJ's Cars and Advice.
Welcome to JJ's Cars and Advice.
Yeah. All right, I'll let y'all go in the house. Y'all go play. Y'all go in the house. Say bye.
Bye.
Yeah, they wanted to do my intro today, you know, the crazy kids, you know, the future of the business, you know, they're going to see their grandma, they're the future of the business, you know, they're going to take over selling these cars once I'm finished with it, you know, once they get older, my nieces and my niece, my nephew, and my two little girls. So, you know, let's get to the lot and get to it and see what we're going to talk about today. Let's get to it. What's going on, everybody? You know what it is and who it is. You know, JJ. You know, we back at it, as you can see. Nieces, nephew, kids wanted to introduce themselves. You know, they're the ones that always want to be in front of the camera. Especially my kids, my daughters. They the ones grab my camera first, and you know, always want me to record. So they the ones keep me recording for you guys every day, because you know they get my camera and say, "You gonna record a video for YouTube today, Daddy?" I'm like, yeah, I mean, I am. You know, they keep me motivated. But yeah, but you know, here at the office, and I'm learning. You know, I'm almost 4 years in the game. You know, as an owner of running the lot, about August 9th to be 4 years in this business. And you know, it's just like any business. You know, I'm always steady learning. You know, so I'm still learning as I go. And one thing I've learned is that, you know, it's not enough hours in the day to get what you really want done. You know, especially, you know, me being a father, having 2 kids. You know, then you know, school is right around the corner, so I have to get ready for this. I have to go spend more time with them. So it's gonna take away from, you know, selling cars. It might take away from even doing videos, but it's not too much, and not too many hours in the day. So what I think I will probably be doing here shortly is, you know, hiring an assistant here, you know, somebody that's can be here more full time, and just try to focus myself and, you know, to making videos for you guys, spending time with the kid, and then just, you know, finish. Best thing I can do is just, you know, spend my time, you know, buying cars and making sure I have cars ready, because I want to start going to different states and, you know, traveling and buying cars from different states. I just want to kind of just be the car buyer right now. You know, I don't want to be selling cars. I don't mind selling cars. I enjoy it, but you know, it's not enough time in the day. So let me spit this gum, man. Yeah, but it's like I said, it's not enough hours in the day to get everything that you want to accomplish, because you know, it's hard being the salesperson, the detailer, the mechanic, car buyer, seller. It's just hard trying to do all that stuff at once. So you have to find ways to delegate your time, and I feel like if I delegate my time better, I will make more money. And I just been thinking about that properly. So that's just a little advice I will just want to pass on to you guys. You know, when you get into the business, try to hire you an assistant. You know, somebody that doesn't mind just being here at the office. You know, you don't have to work out a good paying wage for them, but that's one thing I have to work out. I have to interview and talk with a couple people. And you also gotta find somebody that you can trust too, because think about it, you know, they're gonna be up here, they're gonna be selling the cars and exchanging the cars. So you have to find somebody that's trustworthy, that, you know, because they're gonna be handling the money. So you know, you can always come back and check the computer and figure out what the car sold for and stuff like that. But you just want to find you somebody that's trustworthy, and also find, like, if that person's gonna be up here, have them become a notary. You know, that'll make your job so much easier, so you don't have to keep running back and forth to the tag agency. You know, if they're here and they're already selling the car and they can notarize it, and you know, you already have your title signed over, sign the title over to them. But that's what I'm looking for, is just somebody that can help, you you know, help, you know, me so I can delegate my time and, you know, use my time more properly. But yeah, I'm about to go head to the salvage yard, get a couple parts, and, you know, probably talk to you guys a little bit more at the end of this video, or, you know, the salvage yard might be the end of this video, but, you know, let's get to it. Appreciate you guys. Let's go. Y'all know what time it is. You know, we here at the salvage yard. You know, I always hear at least basically sometimes once a week. You know, you always hear, you always doing some, gotta get something and grab something. That's the good thing about it. It's a good and a bad thing, because you spend a lot of time here wasting. You know, sometimes you can spend all day here and you might not even get one part, you know, but you know, so that's the crazy thing about it. You can pay the $2 entry fee, and you know, the part you're coming to look for, you know, it's already taken off, or you know, the one car that you know that you were looking for, it's already stripped, and that's the one car somebody else is looking for, and they need the same part. So you can spend all day out here looking, trying to find a car, then you know, you find it and stuff like that, and then you know, walk around hot in the sun, sweating. But you know, I'm out here, you know, getting radios, factory radio, you know, because you know, when you buy these used cars, a lot of times people have aftermarket radios in them, so they will take the radios out, and then so you know, if the car ain't got a radio, man, it's not going to sell. Like I experienced that yesterday. I posted that Grand Am just to see, you know, what it would do. You know, it runs and drives good, but you know, it didn't have a radio in there, so the person didn't want it. So you know, I'm here grabbing factory radios. I got like 2 cars that need radios for them. So you know, here at the salvage yard, I think the radio is like $5, maybe $10. So you know, come out here, get you some factory radios that'll help out. You know, you'll lose a deal with the car not having a radio quicker than, you know, not having AC. You know, sometimes I done sold a car, the AC wasn't working properly and it still sold. But you know, if the car ain't got a radio, I don't understand it, but you know, it probably just won't sell. But you know, we're here at Puller Parts. You know, you pull your own parts, $2 to enter. You know, pull your own parts, access to a lot of cars. Best thing to do, check the website, make sure they got the part, you make sure they at least got a couple cars that you're looking for, you know. But you know, salvage yard making all this money, you know, giving people little to nothing for their cars, you know, but they charging the money for them, you know. Look at this, you know, like Pontiac that I sold in the last video to LKQ, you know, bumpers here cost about like $40 or like $30, $35 for a bumper, you know, like $10, $11 for a windshield, rims, all that, etc. But yeah, let's get to it. As you can see, man, it's hot at the salvage yard, man. I got there, I mean, you know, that's time be packed. That's why I say I gotta delegate my time better, man. Time be going past, man. I just grabbing 2 radios, helping my little brother get a fender for his car, and just getting the radiator, man. Been out there for like 3 hours, man, out there sweating, man. That's why, you know, always make sure you bring the right tools. Man, it's just hot. But I want to thank everybody for, you know, tuning in and, you know, giving me all the feedback. I appreciate everybody's support, you know, who's been supporting me. Just wanted to give you guys a little bit of advice on today. This weekend, for anybody who signed up with my Patreon, I'm freed up my time for you guys. So if you guys, any of you guys who won't have any questions that would like to answer any questions, even if you guys follow Lucky's channel, y'all guys want to ask Lucky anything, and you guys, I know he's busy and you guys can't reach him, but you know, if you guys want to just call me and talk to me and answer me some questions, also want me to ask Lucky some questions, I'll be happy. You know, I see him all the time. You know, I'll be happy to answer them questions for you guys and get the answer for you guys. So, you know, but yeah, this week for people signed up to my Patreon, you know, I'll be doing one-on-one phone calls with you guys Saturday, and next week I'll be giving you guys a video next week. I'll be sitting down with Carlos. He was the one that owns Ideal Car Solution that was telling about the buy here pay here. I will be doing a sit down with him next week, about, you know, probably 10, not gonna have it too long. It's just gonna be like a part 1 interview. It's gonna be about 10 minutes long. It'll go along with the other interviews, and then eventually I'll talk to George again. So you'll see a part 2 of talking with George. I'll talk to Lucky. Y'all get that on the Patreon. And this is all available. The interviews with Lucky and the one that I've done with George already, it's already available on my Patreon. and sit down exclusive, going behind the scenes, talking with Carlos. That's going to be available on my Patreon. Like I said, link will be in the description. It's $5 to sign up, and it's $5 a month, and you get a lot more access to me. And you go get access to other car dealers. That was a mosquito. And you're gonna get access, to, if y'all share from Lucky's channel, I'll relay any messages y'all want me to say to Lucky. I'll happy to do that for you guys as well. So with that $5 that you spend in a month, you're getting a lot of access and a lot of information to a lot of stuff. So I appreciate you guys once again. It's hot, about to eat me something, get some of these cars cleaned up and ready to go. Appreciate you guys. I'm out. If you have any questions, just drop it in the comments below or message me on Facebook, Instagram. I have availability. I answer back quickly as possible. But I'll still be busy doing other things. But and again, appreciate you guys. I'm out. See you guys in tomorrow's video. Tomorrow's video, I'll be probably talking to some other dealers. Probably doing a little walk around at the auction. Doing the part 2 of the Florida dealer's license. So that's all coming tomorrow. Peace. See you guys. I'm out. Thank you.